Onestat is our dedicated data analytics tool that lets you aggregate data from different sources and normalize them into a single, easy-to-read by analytic apps to generate interactive statistics and reports in PDF, Excel, image, or interactive HTML files. Are you ready to simplify the ways in which your business gathers, analyzes, and presents data? Statistics are vital to the running of financial institutions and investment businesses. They are required both by the market itself as well as by the clients who place their trust in you. But getting statistics is no mean feat, especially if you're doing it the old-fashioned way, which is by employing people to use antiquated software to sift through data to create statistics and reports. Onestat is a one-stop shop type of software that lets you run intra-data statistics from large data sets, compare it, and then charge it into an easy-to-read interactive format. This means that you can have up-to-date statistics that show the current reality of the markets or potential investment opportunities with little to no effort from your team's part. But there's more. This software has a 24/7 alert service that notifies you when there are any noteworthy events or issues affecting your select variables. It also comes with an outsourced team of experts that can customize both the back-end and the GUI to your specific needs. In fact, we work directly with TIBCO Spotfire to build tailored analytic apps rapidly, repeatedly, and to scale. So, why not get in touch with us to discover how Onestat and data analysis could help your company?